Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Here is today's kanji. It is read hi or ka in many words. Take a good look at it. This character means fire. It has 4 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like ka. On its own, it is usually high. Picture a person with sparks flying off on both sides. It is flames rising up. Now, let's write it. 4 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order. Let's see it in real words. Kayoubi, kayoubi means Tuesday. Kazan, kazan means volcano. And hanabi, hanabi means fireworks. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Shito, read shito, person. Dai, read dai, big. Notice the small differences. So that's hi, fire. 4 strokes, read hi or ka. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.